Ready for a few tips and tricks to make your Instagram stories a bit more interesting? Besides swiping left and right for the filters, there are a number of cool features to be found inside of your Instagram Stories editor. So, let's start. Rainbow text. Add some interesting color gradients, or even a rainbow effect to your text, using all of your fingers. This one is a bit tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's fun to play with. Here is how to do a rainbow text effect on Instagram Story. Write your text. Select all text. Hold your right thumb on the purple color. Hold your left thumb on the text cursor. Slide both fingers at the same time. Your letters will change colors. Flying heart emojis. Add flying heart emojis to your Instagram story. Press on the first icon on top of your Instagram story. Select GIF. Type Instagram. You will see a lot of Instagram-related GIFs. Scroll to find the Instagram hearts. Blur background, pop-up card. You must have been using the native feature to add posts to your stories. Want to make them look classy without cropping out the details? Using this method, the post will be in focus with your or someone else's profile in the background. And the background will be blurred as if it was captured in the portrait mode. Here's how to achieve it. Go to the profile whose post you want to share. On their feed, hold down on the photo. Without releasing your finger, take a screenshot. Then upload the screenshot to your story. Remove date from old photos. I'm pretty sure you already know how to add old photos from gallery to your stories. The thing is, when you add an old photo, Instagram automatically adds the date on which the photo was taken as a sticker. Well, if you thought the sticker is permanent, you are wrong. You can remove it. To do so, hold the sticker and simply drag it to the trash icon that appears at the bottom. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video, and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.